Hi there. You have now learned a lot about quantitative sustainability assessment methods. In particular, we have looked at input-output analysis and life cycle assessment, and also at how these two methods can be combined. It is time now that we apply these methods to some real-world examples. You might have heard the phrase financial bottom line when someone is talking about the economic performance of a company. What they mean is basically whether a company makes a profit or loss, and this is usually recorded at the very bottom line on the statement of revenue and expenses. But as you know, from a sustainability perspective, it is equally important to establish whether the company has a good environmental and social performance. That is, whether they avoid polluting the environment and whether they are looking after the well-being of their employees and the community. If the company is reporting on all three dimensions, we call this triple bottom line accounting, because it refers to the economic, environmental, and social bottom line, or TBL. Sometimes this is also referred to as a people, planet, and profit approach. In your second assignment in this course, you will be assessing the triple bottom line performance of different water supply options. A TBL assessment can be done with input-output analysis, and this is what you've done in your first assignment, for example, or it can be done with LCA, life cycle assessment. In that case, it is called life cycle sustainability assessment because it includes environmental LCA plus life cycle costing plus social LCA. Another method we will briefly learn about in this week is called multi-criteria decision analysis, or MCDA. This is really an important approach when you have many results from an analysis, as is always the case when you do a comprehensive sustainability assessment. What you do, for example, if your TBL analysis shows that there is a very good economic performance, but lots of environmental problems, or you might have developed a technology that is very environmentally friendly, but it turns out to be socially not acceptable or too expensive. An example of that is direct potable reuse of water. MCDA can help with making a decision in such cases. You will learn here how to apply it in the second assignment. And generally, TBL and MCDA are very useful methods for many applications you will come across in your future professional life. Thank you.